Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh Mahaki Pham resign Thadoklaba matung Anova Chief Minister Thadoklabasu Kuki-Zo Singh Taliba separate administration natraga Union Territory ki demand Ahongba Leite haina Sai Court ACG MLA Paolienlal Haokip na Mahaki ex account Thadoklaba post amana khangalakli post asina makha taraduna hai Chief Minister Pham Thadoklabana furup anigi marakta wari sanaba yabagi ahanba khongthang ama oigani hainasu mahakna thagalakpa post atuda palli Chief Minister N. Biren Singh Mahaki Pham resign Thadoklaba matung Anova Chief Minister ama sinaba thorang tauribasi karisu khenaba leiroi masigi mahutta PR rule thamgadabani haina Committee on Tribal Unity Kotugi Wangangloi NG Lunkip Gen Phongdokre Wafamasi Indian Express na loba interview amada phongdokibani mahakna makha taraduna hai Chief Minister N. Biren Singh bu Pham thadoknaba Kuki-Zo leader singna demand tawduna lakibani adabu Chief Minister na Pham thadoklaga thokliba irang ase hekta loisilagani haiba leite thokliba irang ase da Chief Minister khakta natna atopa tampaki mihu singsu yawba maramna kari sukhena balairoi haiba khangle Kuki-Zo singna Imphal thadokna satkiba haibasi tokhaina tare haibasi masana taklaba wafam amani Kuki-Zo khaktagi tokhaiba administration ama leiba haibasina amata ngairaba solution oigani haina mahakna makha tana phongdokhi Tengnopal District ki manungsan na laiba El Minau Ridge Line dagi aina tingraba lalholuk KCP taiba nganba group ki mioi manga galoi na juvenile lama police na fagat kre haidi police na farba mioi sing adudi RK Ingo Singh sahi nifugani thoi oinam Herojit sahi kungani pan Salam Susil Singh sahi kungahumdoi Hizam Mani Maitai sahi kuntraga mathoi amadi Samje Sabam Mani Sana Maitai sahi nifugahumdoi kawi haidi makoi dagi 7.62 mm LMG rifle ama 7.62 mm SLR rifle ama 5.56 mm Inchas rifle ani 7.62 mm AK-47 rifle ama 7.62 mm LMG magazine mga 7.62 mm SLR magazine ani 5.56 mm Inchas LMG magazine mga 7.62 mm AK-47 magazine ani passive night sight ama 7.62 mm SLR maru marfu taraga taruk 7.62 mm LMG maru saniga humpugani pan 5.56 mm Insas maru saniga taruk 7.62 mm AK maru humputraga humdoi bulletproof jacket taruk bulletproof plate nipan galoi na mobile phone taret recover tawba ngamkhre hairi Chief Minister N. Biren Singh Mahaki Pham Thadoklaba matung National People Party NPP na Chief Minister N. Biren Singh luchingba laingak asida sawgalamba do officially withdraw tawre haina Manipur NPP Working President Sheikh Nurul Hassan phongdokre mahakna makha taraduna haikibada Manipur da tholiba irang asi mahausa gi punsida hanjil hanba ngamdabana maram moiraga Chief Minister ki laingak asida party na thajaba leiraktre amadi Chief Minister na Mahaki Pham thadokiba sina Manipur da santi amadi mahausa gi phibam hanjilaknaba khongtang amani hainasu mahakna makha tana phongdokhi
Manya Shri Honorable Maharaja Sanja Oba Lesamba demand to properly implement the Manipur Merger Agreement 1949.
Sir, thank you, sir. Sir, although Manipur is a tiny state, but it was once a sovereign nation having a long history and civilization of more than 5,000 years. But Manipur became a part of India in 1949 under an agreement called the Manipur Merger Agreement 1949. However, for the last many decades, the previous government never tried to honor or address this agreement, and it really hurts the sentiments and pride of the Manipuris. Particularly, the last para of Article 8 of this agreement is very relevant for the Manipuris to uplift their socio-economic, cultural and political status. It reads as, I quote, the government of India shall also undertake to make suitable provisions for the employment of Manipuris in the various branches of public services and in every way encourage the Manipuris to join them. It also undertakes to preserve various laws, customs and conventions prevailing in the states of Manipur pertaining to the social, economic and religious life of the people, unquote. But till today, no suitable provisions or safeguards are met or set in this regard. So I urge upon the Union government to make suitable provisions or take up necessary steps to uplift the socio-economic, cultural and political status of Manipuris in the days to come. Thank you, sir.